So friends, in today's video we will make this heart shaker pencil topper. So let's see how we will make it. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, now let's see item: heart, glitter foam sheet, transparent sheets, a strip, and sparkles and some sparkles. So now let's get started. So friends, first we will take this heart and put the strip as shown. So now let's put, so you can see that I have put it this strip at the corners, and now we will put sparkles into it. So let's put, and now we will take silver sparkles and we will put it. Friends, now we will take this transparent sheet and paste it with hot glue gun. You can also use Fevicol for pasting it. So you can see that I have pasted it, and now we will take this heart and we will paste it with glue or Fevicol. Friends, now we will make a holder of pencil. So make it as shown. So we will put hot glue gun over here, and then we will cut in V shape. So I have cut it in V shape, and now I have put it hot glue gun in it and then pasted. So friends, our heart shaker pencil topper is ready. So thanks for watching our video.